I had shown a few useful ways in which you can use conditional formatting to better visualize data. Here are a few highlights. You can watch the complete video by clicking on the pop-up banner. Before I begin to show you other useful purposes of conditional formatting, I would like to urge you to subscribe to my channel. Share and like the video so that it can reach more people. Okay, so let's begin. If you have a large amount of data such as the one shown here, then highlighting a single cell is more like finding a needle in a haystack. You can click on the row number to highlight a complete row or column number to highlight a complete column, but a single cell identification still stays a bit difficult. You can apply two simple conditional formatting formulas to make a cross so that row and column of a required cell are highlighted together. What you need to do is to click anywhere in your data, then select your complete data by pressing Ctrl+A, then go to Conditional Formatting, and select New Rules. In the menu that opens, click on the option titled, Use a Formula to determine which cells to format. There is an open field that is visible here. Click in it and type the formula as being shown here. This will help you highlight the clicked row. Once done with typing the exact formula, click on the Format tab. In the menu that opens, click on the Fill tab. Here, select the color in which you want to highlight your row. I am choosing green color. You can choose the color as per your requirement. Now click OK on both menus and you can see that the row where you had clicked is highlighted. Building on the same case, keep the complete data selected, and go to Conditional Formatting again. Click on New Rules and select the same option as before. But this time you will type a slightly different formula to highlight the required column instead of row. Type the formula that is being shown here. Now, go to Format tab, select the Fill option. You can opt for the same color or select a different one as you desire. I am choosing the same color. Click OK on both menus. Now both the formulas are active, but you will find that selecting a different cell does not make this cross move and highlight that cell. That is, the formulas are not dynamic. For this to happen, right-click on the Worksheet tab and select View Code. Visual Basic window will open. In this window, click on the drop-down list and select Worksheet. Now type in target, calculate. Close the Visual Basic window after typing this. Now test your formulas again. Now you can highlight the cell of your requirement. I like to use this modification with Freeze Panes options, so that headings and names do not disappear when I select some data that does not fit the scrolling width of the screen. Select the column next to names, then go to View tab and select Freeze Panes option. Click Freeze Panes, that is it. Now wherever you go in your worksheet, a few columns and headings remain displayed. Easing life while viewing large data. Share your thoughts in the comments. You can also make suggestions on what you would like to see next. Like and subscribe for more.